Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious cooked snowball pecan cookie. Easy to prepare with ingredients that you could find in any supermarket, and I'm sure you're going to love them. Perfect for your coffee, for a tea, and to end the day. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Of course, I roasted my pecans. I have 1 cup of pecans. I roasted them 350 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes until the aroma of the pecan starts coming out of your oven. Then you know that they are ready. And here I'm going to smash them really good. Get them nice and smashed so that they really incorporated into this amazing snow cookie. Look at this. I'm going to smash them really good. If you love pecans like I do, you're going to love this amazing recipe. Easy, delicious. Of course, you could add some atole to it. Enjoy these cookies with atole. Enjoy it with the coffee. Enjoy it with a delicious tea at the end of the day. But this is the part I really love, having ingredients that you already have at home. Here I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I put myself a glove so that I could mix everything because this is the best tool, your hands. I'm going to incorporate the pecans and the all-purpose flour. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix it well, incorporate it really good into the dry ingredients. And now I am ready to add 1 tablespoon. This is 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to incorporate it, and then I am ready to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste. If you don't have vanilla paste, you could use vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon, 2 sticks of unsalted butter. This is at room temperature. This part is really important. You want to make sure that you are baking with unsalted butter so that you have control of how much salt is in your desserts or even in your pastries, in your food. So I love using the unsalted butter, and then I just add a pinch of salt to my recipe. And here I'm going to incorporate it really good until it's no longer sticking to my gloves. And this is going to take about 2 to 3 minutes, mixing very well all the dry ingredients with the butter until I form a beautiful dough. Look at this. It takes time, but let me tell you, these snow cookies come out amazing. Once you see your dough that is no longer sticking to the bottom or to the sides or even on your glove, then you are ready to start making the little balls. Of course, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. These cookies need to go to a very hot oven when you put them in for about 15 minutes. No more than 15 minutes. They're going to be nice and white from the top, but from the bottom, they're going to be golden brown. I'm going to use a spoon so that all the circles, all the cookies come out almost the same size. This is very important. You want to make sure that all your cookies are almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. Look at this. Very easy. If you have a little ones at home, invite them in the kitchen. Have them help you make these individual circles for your delicious snowball cookies. Look at this. It is raining here in California, and I can't wait to enjoy these cookies with a delicious homemade coffee. I am going to continue making the rest of the cookies. How many cookies? It all depends how big you make the little balls, the portions of the little balls. Let me continue until I am done with all the dough. Remember to always preheat your oven 350. They're going to go to a hot oven for about 15 minutes. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. You could see the little specks of the pecans. I brought them out of the oven. They're golden brown from the bottom. They're still nice and hot. When they're still nice and hot, you're going to dip them into the confectioner's sugar, the powdered sugar. You need to do this as soon as you take them out of the oven so the confectioner's sugar really sticks and coat the cookie from every place, from the bottom, from the sides, from the top. You want to make sure that when they're nice and hot and you bring them out of the oven, you cover them with the confectioner's sugar. Using 2 spoons is very easy. You don't get burned, but yet they're going to come out so delicious that once you taste one, you cannot stop eating them. They are so contagious, so delicious, so sweet that, of course, like I said, it's raining outside and I am really going to enjoy this amazing homemade cookie. Look at my garden. Listen to the sound of the rain. This is just amazing. This is my papaya tree. And it has 2 medium-sized papayas. Like I said, I'm going to enjoy these snowball cookies here at home. And when I cook cookies, I would love you guys to enjoy them too. And like I said, if you have little ones, invite them in the kitchen. Have them help you make the little balls. And here I am ready to prepare my instant coffee. Enjoy it with this amazing homemade cookie. Added the coffee, a little bit of creamer right on the top, and then I'm ready to enjoy it. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. See you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing pecan snowball cookies. I made myself a delicious coffee because it's raining outside, and this is how I'm going to end my day. I hope, my friends, that you make this amazing snowball cookie. You're going to love them. Excuse me. So delicious. Let me tell you, this is the best way to end a day, with a snow cookie and a delicious homemade coffee. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And thank you so much for being part of my family. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing coffee and the snowballs cookies. See you soon. Bye-bye.